Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix sleep mode not working after update on Samsung Galaxy A53. Let's start the video first of all. If you want to fix this problem, restart device, just click and hold side power button. Click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon, you will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library, scroll down and click on clock app. After click on clock app, go back and click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. Scroll down and search clock app from here. Click on clock app. Click on storage and click on clear cache. After clear cache clock app, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, click on settings app and scroll down to and click on general management. Click on reset and click on reset all settings. Reset setting, enter phone pin, click on continue. Again tap on this reset option, you will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.